Hello, welcome everybody. Thank you for joining me for this short, I promise it will be short. Welcome everybody. This short musings video about something I've been thinking for quite some time. Musings are personal opinions, things which are widely out there, and I gave it some thought, and I want to talk about that we're entering the area of the Über Super Computer. So why, first of all, the name the Über Super Computer? Well, supercomputer is a well-defined name for the large machines which are out there, mainframes, you could call them like this, or the great supercomputers. So they're all well understood, but it has to be more than that. So taking reference to the Uber part, which is very popular in the English language, and using an allegation to my umlaut, my name, I want to call it the Über supercomputer. And we're entering the age of the Über supercomputer. Why? What's the question is what's coming after cloud? When I thought about what are the qualities of what's coming after cloud with the Über supercomputer. First of all, it needs to have global presence, right? We know globalization is one of the strongest forces powering the world since World War II. It needs to understand what is happening on the world, because it's the same thing like what we do, what we want to know when we're facing decisions which are determining what's happening in the world. It needs to have unlimited federation capability across potential private data centers, any kind of machinery, any kind of cloud infrastructure that might be up there. It must have federated data across them. It has to be intelligent. It has to be intelligent data as a service agent, which understands where is data of value, but has to become an agent selling or buying that data for people who want to have certain insights. And it needs to be self-propelled, running by itself to find these insights, not by a human asking something to do. We talk about how the big trend is intelligent goes across the LCD, permeates it, the intelligence in the software is asking it. The Uber supercomputer, the Über supercomputer, now said it for myself, has to be self-propelled and has to be autonomous. It's running 24/7, 365 days a year. It's running by itself, it's self-learning, and it knows what is next. And last but not least, 6 criteria, it's ubiquitous, so it's everywhere. It's always accessible, anytime, any place. Now, pretty wild, talking about this, is it going to happen? So the pros are in 3 areas, right? It's working the way how humans work. And we always try to get technology to work the same way how humans work because we are used to that. We like that. So that's a strong pro argument. It has tremendous market potential, obviously, because right now it's very, very hard to get any understanding beyond your currently owned data center or cloud infrastructure resources. You want to go beyond that. So there's a lot of market potential. And we think it can be done today. The infrastructure itself is with the large internet properties, infrastructure as a service properties available today. So with Amazon, with Google, with Microsoft, no question about it. Now, may it not happen? Yeah, there's the most powerful 3 cons about this. IT investments and IT processes have never been communal. It was never about sharing like an ether across different computing architectures, different data, having software making agents. So this never happened before. Key players who used to furnish servers and data centers are not on this business model, so there might be strong anti-genes against that model. And last but not least, like very innovation, it has not been done. So personally, I think the Über supercomputer is going to come. It will happen probably in pilot phase very soon. You see some initial things with like global IoT sensing of sensors and making sense of that. Funny combination of that. I think if we're bold, the Über supercomputer will be the way how we operate and automate things on top of a common data layer in 10 years from now. It will be as normal, as clear as the public cloud is today. Well, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Share my blog if you have a different opinion. Love to hear your feedback. Thanks for watching.